Missed calls was one of the biggest problems I faced, especially while running Google local service ads. But now with the Guild USA, calls, bookings, rebookings, every step automated. How is this possible, you might say? Well, that call you just witnessed just triggered about a dozen automations. Let's take a look at the automated messages. Now remember, there's three perspectives here, and I'm playing all three roles during that call. There's the admin, there's the technician in the field, and there's the customer side. Now, in most cases, you're the admin and the technician, but we're here at the Guild USA to help you grow and expand your business. But what does it look like from the technician's perspective in the app? Let's take a look. It's all here, instantly, automatically. Make and model, symptoms, DAX, diagnostic, appliance, AI, expert, client contact, client address, model number. But what happens when you click on them? Call, right from the app. Message, early, on time, behind schedule, bam, automated. All the client info here with the press of a button. Email, automated. But what is gig history? When a customer calls, you have their entire history here you can look up before you call them back. And if you're a tech, you know that's important. I bet you can guess what happens when you click on model number. Bam, service manuals, parts diagram, service pointers, internal notes. What happens when you click service manuals? Tech docs. Bam, service manuals. Boom, there you have it, right there in the app. Now this happens instantly from the moment the call was booked. And remember, the call was automated. Your phone never rang. It happened instantly, automatically. Do I dare press parts diagrams? You have all your part numbers right here in the parts diagrams. And that's going to tie into the automated part lookup and automatic part ordering. Remember, all this happens the moment the call was booked, and your phone never rang. The AI answered the phone, the AI booked it, the customer put in all the information. Remember, the customer got their messages automatically, the technician got all this instantly the moment it was booked.
Automate your appliance repair business at guildusa.com. Get out and get it.